Ooh, stickers, my favorite. Hey guys, welcome back. The time has finally come. I did all the exhaust on the Triumph Speed Twin, and now all I have left to do really is this DNA air filter. It's very, very similar to K&N. I'm sure it's almost exact, to be honest. I don't know all the science behind it, but it looks exactly the same. The reason I chose DNA is because they're on a lot of Triumph websites, more so than the K&Ns that I've seen. But they're reasonably priced, and I'll give it a try. So let's get to this. Let's take a look. Instructions. Air cleaner. Ooh. Stickers, my favorite. 4 stickers? That is very, very generous. I'm excited. Feels oily, but I think you still have to put this shit on there. Alright guys, so the air cleaner is in. That was very simple. Just a few screws basically. Just make sure you oil the filter thoroughly but not oversaturated. And I doubt it's going to really make a difference as far as performance, but it's cool. It can't hurt it, I don't think. Unless you don't oil the filter, that could potentially hurt it in the long run. That's all I have for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And until next time, see you later.